ovdje u našoj galeriji Klović. Zove se IKSIT, to je 6. IKSIT. IKSIT je međunarodna izložba keramike koju je organizirala prvi put 2005. godine u Innsbrucku, Gabriela Nepo-Stieldorf, Kiparca. I prošle godine je bila 6. po redu, znači ovo smo samo doselili ovamo, ali prošle godine je ona pozvala umjetnike iz gradova koji su bili predstavnici europske kulture. Tako da su iz Rijeke, kao europske predstavnice kulture, pozvani Dijana Trtanj i Mladen Ivančić. Ja sam bio na toj prvoj izložbi 2005. Tako ona kontaktirala sa mnom, pa sam ja preporučio te neke naše umjetnike, keramičare, to je izložba keramike. Međutim, kako oni nisu mogli doći, onda je mene opet isto također pozvala, tako da sam ja prezentirao Rijeku kao predstavnicu europske kulture. Ovi radovi, s obzirom da je to simpozij keramike, znači radovi su izrađeni uglavnom od keramike. U različitim tehnikama ovisi kako autor se izražava. Ja znam da se radi u tehnici rakua i ste samo imali gator glazurama. Međutim, ovdje ima i ready-made stvari, tako da je Gabriela, ona je dugo i niz godina skupljala slijepove iz različitih mediteranskih zemalja, ima čak iz Hrvatske, i ona je to ovdje izložila. Ovdje ima nešto i grafika, jer su neki, kao i ja sam isto keramičar grafičar, i isto tako još jedna kolegica, isto grafika, povezujemo grafiku i keramiku.
So IKSIT it means International Ceramic Symposium Innsbruck-Tirol. So it was created in Tirol for supporting ceramic and proving that ceramic is not only a high material, but it can be used in contemporary art as well. And I think it becomes even more important as that informations are more done through internet, through dimensional medias, and the people really need to have some haptic sensations. And ceramic is the best for it. And I think meanwhile we had sometimes this international symposium, artists from all over the world came to Innsbruck, and we really had great exhibitions, and meanwhile people are even asking for new exhibitions. So I think the necessity of three-dimensional haptic art becomes more important as contrast to this two-dimensional virtual art. And symposiums, anyhow, I think it becomes more important as there is a global evolution, and art is a global expression anyhow. And even when you don't understand the language, through art you can become closer, you can understand. And through this contact with other cultures, I think it makes us much more tolerant, and it enriches us as human beings, as an artist.
My name is Elisabeth Melkonyan, and I'm from Tirol. And I was very lucky that I was in the first symposium of IKSIT. It was for me a great experience, and because I'm more or less an artist who comes from the painting and the printmaking, so ceramic was something very new for me, and it was a great experience to learn about ceramics, to work with clay. And now it's a great experience to be here in this exhibition. Normally I work with a lot of different materials. I also do land art, and I like to combine printmaking with clay. So like the loops, I've made a high print on wood and put the high print on the clay. So the combination is very interesting for me. We in Tyrol, we have a lot of masks. And I wanted to work with erotic masks. So there are tiny, small bodies of women in the masks. This is the kind of combination. And for Croatia, especially for this exhibition, I was working with the loops and the sea. Because in the wood print you see there the water. And I like to swim, especially in Croatia. So I thought to do something with the sea. And it's the endless sea, because the loop is always no ending, and I like this idea of no beginning, no ending, it's just floating.